Thrifting in a snowstorm. Welcome to Pholly Finds. We're on our way to pick up Holly. She's going to be out of work here in just a minute. We're going to hit a couple different stores and see what we can find today.
I know everything.
Well, we're almost to Holly's work. We're going to pick her up and we're going to go to a couple stores and see what we can find today. Let's give her a call, see if she's ready. Hey.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm rolling past the fairgrounds right now.
Okay, I'm still in my office. Just give me a hot second and I'll be out there.
Okay, sounds great.
All right, bye.
Bye.
Yeah, I mean, I think we were still, like I said, using credit cards and things prior to you guys. I think, we were...
Careful, don't sit on it.
We were doing okay, but we were in good habits, I would say.
How'd you find us radio?
Figure you might be thirsty too. Hitting up that Goodwill in the snowstorm. Let's see what's going on in here today.
Well, the first thing we did is we stopped over by the new carts. See what's new on the sales floor. You'll notice we load up our carts with a bunch of things that we think we might be able to get some profit on. And then we'll go back through in a few minutes and then sort through the stuff and get rid of what doesn't have good margin and grab the rest.
Those are Adidas shoes.
We probably should have spent a little more time on these shoes to see what we could pick up. Due to the snowstorm, they closed down at 5 o'clock, so we got there. We're in a hurry trying to get through everything before they closed up shop.
Check these out here in a second.
I apologize for my jacket. I didn't zip it up far enough. Sometimes it blocks the camera. Let's stick around to the end for a full breakdown of what we paid for things and what we expect to get out of them. I looked at this Atlantis PC game. I probably should have looked a little bit harder at the Tomb Raider 2. None of the rest of these look like they'd be worth much. And while that was loading, let's take a look at the golf clubs. Nothing new today. This is a find for me personally. This is going up on the wall down in our eBay cave. Bubba Sport. They were really pushing out the new product. They had about 5 carts worth of of new stuff that they drug out just before they closed. Now here's the point where I started just looking at stuff and putting stuff back that wasn't going to make a whole lot of sense. Things like that digital photo frame went back. The cheese knife set went back. And as you can see, really thinned out it.
I didn't look those up. I just remember the cart.
That's everything that's in here, other than the only thing you'll have to do is the photo frame and that soap.
As you can see, we really thinned out the herd.
Let's see what else we got here. Oh, we got narrower.
They recently just added another gondola of product, so it made these aisles very narrow.
What do we got here?
I almost thought that was a novelty item, like it was a joke at first.
Look at that as a second. What the hell is this thing down here? Sony integrated remote commander, huh?
Off the corroded.
Seen better days. We'll leave that one behind.
Sell-through rate just was not good on that baseball bat.
About a 10%.
Brand new bike helmet. Let's check it out.
Euro Youth helmet, universal fit. Brand new, $29.99. 54. Yeah, let's do that. For sure. That one's a good one. Well, we're going to look at this thing, weren't we? And we're going to put that one back. Much as I would like to have another one. I'm sure we'll come across another one some other day. $5 brand new. They can keep it. Because that's what they want $3 here for. Nope. Just need some better margins for us to pick that up.
There wasn't a lot of margin on that card shuffler, so we went away from that one. This one here is a McDonald's branded windbreaker. I couldn't find the clean comp on this Aeropostale. I don't know if I'm saying that right or not, but just didn't feel comfortable picking it up. So back on the rack it goes. Of course, I had to snap the hanger while I was doing it.
So you can do it with legs. The legs come out, or this comes out. And you can do it different angles.
Yeah, I think so. give it a shot anyway.
We picked that up to use in our eBay cave downstairs, just so it's a little easier to use our notebooks and put things together.
I almost bought Up yesterday.
Yeah.
I was over here.
How come we didn't?
The disc looked a little...
Shady.
Yeah.
It's not like we won't find it again, I'm sure.
Yeah, that's
Sometimes we strike out. Sometimes we find some luck in the DVD section.
Yeah, I saw that and I didn't know
Yeah,
if you'd like it or not. So.
that works. Oops, wasn't me.
Or maybe it was.
Okay. Well, what do you think? Wrap it up?
Now off to the Salvation Army.
Uh-huh.
Wow. Let's see if we can turn 47 into 500.
Look at building, huh?
We have really good luck with the coats at the Salvation Army, and today is no different. Thought this Batman stocking cap might be something, but they just had too much on it. But this, on the other hand, this leather jacket was in really, really good shape, and some of the comps would indicate that we might be able to get some profit on this one.
Let's go with that one.
These shoes are in great shape. However, there just wasn't any margin left over from what they wanted versus what they're selling for in the market.
Nope. No margin there.
These shoes, as I was looking at them, had some flaws. For the most part, they're in good shape, but they had a few things that just made it harder for us to pick them up. Great design, but same thing as the Feelers.
Electronics here are outrageously priced. What you got there?
For me,
Oh, yeah?
Pioneer one,
Is that too badly scratched down there? No?
not any worse than what I've got at home.
Okay. Let's see what we got over here in the toy section.
This toy section is provided us with some luck before, and today is no different.
I'm looking at all that times. Oh, I had one of these when I was a kid. That's cool.
Mine was multiplication, not division. Another once through with the toys just to make sure I'm not missing anything. So I enjoy golf, and this caught my eye as I was walking through. The problem was there was nothing available for any sort of comps. We zapped the barcode on the inside and zapped the barcode on the outside. Both of them came up as nothing. I even tried using the Google Lens. Type in a description, none of it worked.
What else would you take a gamble on it?
We've also had some real good luck with sealed VHS, specifically from PBS. Some of their documentaries go for some decent cash.
Well, we've braved the elements and made it back home. Here's what we found today. So far, we spent $67.50 on items. And here's what we've got: this Global Identity leather jacket, G3. We're expecting to get $59.99 out of that. Over here, we've got a PBS sealed VHS tape, war letters. We're looking maybe $9.99 on that one. Over here has got the Magic Math Division set. Push the numbers. I was never good at math. I had one of these when I was a kid and it came in handy. Anyway, 99 cents. We're turning that into $19.99. Over here's the Goofy golf ball figurine. No comps whatsoever anywhere. But I figure we'll turn $1.49. That's 10x it, do $14.99. See what we can do there. The Fructis. I'm not sure if I'm saying that. Garnier? I don't know. Anyway, $5.98 for the 2 bottles. We're gonna look to see if we can get $19.99 out of it. I'm not holding my breath on that particular one. We might sit on it for a minute, but who knows. The New Balance Fresh Foam shoes. We got these for $6.99. We're gonna turn around to $29.99 on those ones. The Bubba Sport, fairly new with tags. Got a few scratches, little bumps and dings on it. We're gonna try to get $19.99 out of that. Most of the other comps for brand new, we're going for $24.99. I just figure with some of this wear on it, we can mark it down a couple dollars. The Brooks Addiction shoes were $6.99. We're hoping to get $69.99 out of those. Another 10x deal. Next to that is the Michelin Magnum boots. I can't find anything pre-owned from the States. Everything is brand new from the UK or Australia. We're looking at $89.99 on those from a $9.99 purchase price, so not a bad deal. The Giro Rays Youth Helmet. Looks like it's going for $44.99, brand new. Obviously, as you can see, it's got the tags and everything on it. We paid $6.99 for the deal. And the last but not least is the McDonald's jacket. Some other windbreakers we're going for right around $30, so that's what we're going to do with ours. $4.99 into $29.99. So all in all today we spent $67.50. Overall, I think with everything added up, we're going to have about $410 in sales. After you take eBay fees out, that drops it down to $356. And then after the 30% we hold for taxes for the government to get their money, we're at $249.64 of what we get to keep or put back into the business for some more product and more fun. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed today's video, please hit that subscribe button. We sure would appreciate it. Helps the channel grow. Thank you for watching, and have a great one.